What's up everyone, my name is Kouras. In today's video, I want to share with you exactly how to give yourself a perfect fade self-haircut. It's 2021 now, and last year I've helped thousands upon thousands of you guys learn this exact skill set that is going to save you a lot of time and money on haircuts. My goal this year is to raise the bar even higher than last year and really perfect the fade while still teaching more and more people this awesome skill. So in majority of my self haircuts, I always make sure to spread out each new guideline that I make by at least 1 inch consistently all around my head. Spreading each new guideline by 1 inch is a key component to self haircuts because you'll completely avoid making the fade look really compressed and not give the fade a smooth transition from light to dark going up your head. So for the guidelines, I've been using the no guard lever closed, no guard lever open, then the number 1 guard lever open, followed by the number 2 guard lever open, and then around a number 5 or number 6 guard lever open around my part line. Now for the fading, in order to blend in the hard lines you set going up your head with each new guideline, you need to make sure you soften up the hard line first and then knock it out with a flick out motion using a slightly smaller guard and lever length. So if you're a beginner self haircutter, I always recommend you set aside at least 2 to 3 hours to cut your hair. I started cutting my own hair when I was 14 years old. So if you are even slightly more mature than my 14-year-old self, I know for a fact you'll be able to focus better and give yourself a decent first self haircut. Ultimately, when it comes to fading your hair, you really need to take as much time as you need to do it right. Use the $7 Walmart mirror I constantly advise you guys use in my self haircut tutorials instead of using a handheld mirror. My mirror setup is absolutely game changing and you'll seriously see the difference if you try it out for yourself. If any of you are interested in learning in much more detail how to give yourself a perfect self haircut just like this one and save yourself hundreds of dollars every year on haircuts, cut the length on top with scissors and thinning shears, and save your time from driving and waiting to get a haircut at the barbershop, check out my self haircut course using the first link at the top of the description. The course is honestly really cheap for what you get, and I'm always here to help you guys out if you have any questions for me. Boom! Alright everyone, so this is the perfect fade self haircut in 5 minutes. If you liked this video and found the tips helpful, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.